Cigar in hand. Cigar in hand.
Heavy drop.
Oh.
Fuck.
That was good. Did you go backwards? You went surf style, right?
Switch. Let's go switch.
You won't try that
That
switch.
shit was heavy. I'll tell you what. Woo! I got some fucking Miracle Girl on my fucking armpits. Let this shit fuck. Get out of there.
I love how you went down with the cigar. Fucking get
I
something.
saved the cigar, man. I wanted to let it fucking. Woo! That's a fucking heavy wave right there.
Jeremy, you're up.
See this fucking right going. Jeremy, fucking pulling that thing. It's fucking. That's a fucking shakalaka. Scott Spencer knows.
Scott Special.
I can't do it. I can't even pull into that. That's too heavy for me. I'm letting it roll.